To access your onboard trip computer, turn the ignition on. One click is the first stage. Second click will turn the ignition on. Come over to the right hand side of the keypad, press the home button, and then press the center button. Now I'll bring you into the menu. Service menu. I'll bring you up your AdBlue level. Scroll down by running your thumb over it. Service A in 680 days. Press the back button. That brings you to your coolant. Press the middle again. It's coolant temperature. Back. Engine oil level. Will only come on when the engine is up to temperature and on. Back again. DPF filter. 14%. That'll query you when it becomes full, and it will automatically do a regen. Go back again and back again. Your assistance for your 24-hour breakdown cover. Press back button. Swipe across. Trip. Brings up how many miles your vehicle's currently done and how many you've done on your trip. Simply press and hold, and that will reset. Obviously it's already reset. Back button again. Brings you to your radio stations, where you can cycle through and choose whatever you want to do. Will mirror on there as well. Next one along, media, is for your Bluetooth and sat-nav. Next one along, telephone. So when you connect to the Bluetooth, you'll be able to make your calls from the dashboard and from Center console.